Sir, come here. Sir, come here. Sir, come here. I can do this. Listen to me now.
Can I have my money, sir?
We can do this all day.
Can I have my money, sir?
No. We are going to the station. No. I'm taking you to the station. I'm taking you to the station. I gave you a stick there. Come here, man. I gave you a stick there. It's license. The receipt, man.
My essential worker, and I have to leave for that.
What am I going to take that for?
Yeah, man. To verify.
No, I have to verify that it's my money. And the receipt verify that is my money. The receipt from First Global Bank. Well, is this man in my driver money?
You want me to say it again?
This is my money.
You want me to say it again?
What is it?
Or you want me to tell you on social media?
Tell me.
You made a statement that I should make sure all of your money